Hey guys, welcome to my apartment tour. So this is my apartment. It's a 1-bedroom, kind of teeny weeny apartment, but it's comfortable and nice for myself. So I'm just gonna give you a little tour, talk through everything with you, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Starting off, we've got this intercom. That's what it's called, yeah, an intercom. Yeah. So you kind of obviously when someone like knocks at your door, you can kind of see who it is and buzz them in. So that's cool. And then to my right, we've got a storage cupboard. It's really messy right now. It's got like all my equipment and like, yeah, so it's basically got stuff that I don't know where to put anything. So I'll just put it in here. So this is my mess. So yeah, just quickly. Whole bunch of stuff. So to your left, we've got my bathroom. Guys, this is my bathroom. I'm gonna walk in so you guys can see how big the space is. So it's really, really big. I'm really grateful for that because I really wanted a really nice space for, you know, to get clean and get comfortable. I really, really like this bathroom. I love the walls. I love the overhead shower. It's amazing. I love the fact that everything's quite modern and it's got like spotlights and stuff. Another thing I really like is, it sounds so pathetic, but the shower is really, really powerful. Yeah, it has a little light underneath here, which is really cool. So if you've got a little babe, you want to do romantics.
We love that.
Then this is my toilet, obviously, and another thing I love about this bathroom is the massive mirror. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna see how easy it is to clean, but I can imagine it's probably not easy to clean, but it's gorgeous. I love this. Obviously, I'm into makeup and hair and beauty, so I get to like do everything and see everything I'm doing. This is my sink. Again, really modern, really chic. I love the tap. And I've got a bit of storage here where I keep like young girly stuff. So yeah, that's my bathroom. Okay, I'm gonna take you to the next room, which will be my bedroom. Okay. So guys, this is my bedroom. I don't know if you guys have seen my last bedroom tour, but I'll link it down below if you guys haven't seen it. I basically got everything from my last bedroom and just pumped it in here. So I've got the same bed, the same arts. This is from Decinio. I'll leave like everything like for each room, like links and stuff down below. Yeah, my bed, my art, and it has these little like side lights, which is really cute. It kind of gives you like a hotel kind of feel. So I love that. Got this little storage here. I haven't really decorated anything because I've only been here like under a week, so literally everything is just kind of not really in a place yet. So I think I'm going to do another tour when everything is more furnished and, you know, it looks a little bit nicer. So here I've got my dressing table and my mirror. Again, I'll leave everything linked below. I was getting ready, so it's a bit messy right now. So yeah, this is where I get ready, where I do my stuff. I need to figure out where I'm going to film and stuff, so I'm going to see how that works out. But yeah, for now, this is my bedroom space. That's it. Yeah, only thing that I don't really like about this apartment, if I had to change one thing, would be the wall color. I just wish it was white. This is like a slate gray kind of blue color, and I just don't really like it that well. I feel like if it was white, it will be a lot easier to decorate. Yeah, you can't have it all.
But the color is nice.
Yeah, this was the only thing that I would just say like I don't like, but everything else pretty much ticks all the boxes. So perfect. Let's head off to the living room. So guys, this is my living area. Like I said, nothing is like all the way furnished yet. I'm kind of giving myself time to furnish things slowly. This is my sofa. It's a really, really nice velvety, like luxe feeling sofa. I'll link it below, and I've just got these little cushions. I used to have these on my bed, but I thought it looked really nice here instead, so I put it here. It's really, really comfortable. The 3-seater, which is good to, you know, host a few guests. Yeah, so I've got this lamp again from my old room. I'll link it below. It's just a feather lamp. I thought it looked all right there. I've got my YouTube plaque here. Don't get too close because this is messy. I've got my YouTube plaque over there. This is just a bunch of stuff that doesn't have a house yet, so don't mind that. I didn't know where to put this, so I just put it here. It's just like a picture of Mary Campbell. It was in my bedroom before, but I just put it there. Oh yeah, guys, so I mentioned this on Instagram. These are pamper sleeves, and they're really expensive to buy. And I just saw them one time in a bush and literally got scissors and snapped them. Definitely, if you see them like lying about, you can see them in parks and stuff like that. I wouldn't recommend paying for them. You can literally find them in any park. So yeah, it's really pretty. I haven't got a vase for it yet, so I just put it in this vase that was sent to me. But I think I'm going to change up the vase soon once everything's open up again. So here I've got my center table, faux marble kind of center table. I got this from Amazon, but I think you can also get it from Wayfair. And I've got my TV. So my TV stand hasn't come yet, hence my TV being on this random box. So I'm kind of waiting for that to come. It's going to come in December, but until then it's just here. And I've got my TV. Oh, another thing I like about this apartment, everything is electric, so there's no gas. My radiators are electric, so you can put them on with this remote. So you literally turn it on, and then you can like control the power, control the temperature, and how long you want it on there for. So That's really cool. Then if you turn around, I'll show you to my kitchen. This is my kitchen area. It's kind of small, but I like.
Almost feel.
It's kind of small, but I like how cozy it is. Like I said, it's just me, so I don't need anything too big. Yeah, this is just cupboard space, cupboard space, cupboard space. Everything is pretty much integrated. So I've got a dishwasher here, which I haven't used. I'll probably only use this when I have guests around and I can't be bothered to like wash the dishes. So that's a dishwasher. And I've got my washing machine here, which is integrated as well. Yeah, and then I've got this really nice cooker. This is an induction cooker, which I've never had before. I've only ever had gas, so this should be interesting.
That's electric.
Gas, no, gas is.
No, this is electric.
No, this is electric, yeah. And then we've got this really cool hood. Normally it's like obviously like this, but I like the fact that it's like up. So
nice.
That's cool, and I just put a few like decorative stuff here. Then over here we've got the fridge. Doesn't really have much in it right now. Like I said, I just moved in. So we've got the fridge, which is integrated. We've got the freezer, has nothing in it yet. And then this is a pantry, and this is a pantry, but I just got random stuff in there just for now because I don't have anywhere to put it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be doing a lot more home kind of videos, so if you want like more home content, definitely let me know and leave your ideas down below of the home content that you're kind of after. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and thank you so much for getting me to this stage in my life, because obviously it is down to you guys as well. So I just want to say a big thank you to you guys for supporting me. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next
Congratulations.
video. Thank you. Bye guys.
Bye.